Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I want to talk about the GUI of the MATLAB and how to work with it, and after that I will create one program for summation operation, sum operation. For accessing GUI you have to write guide in command window of the MATLAB. Here you can create new GUI or you can access previous GUI by going to open existing GUI and then choose which you want. For this project I need one blank GUI. Here is the window of the GUI. There are tools of the GUI like radio button, slider, push button and others. In this tutorial I need three of them, which are edit box, static text, edit text, static text and push button. So I put three edit box here and two static text here and one push button. For accessing the parameter of those tools you have to double click on them. You can see here there are parameters of edit text. Here is the string of that, which is edit text, and I want to change it to number 1. And here is the tag of this edit text. You can access the data in edit text in backend code by the tag of them. So you have to choose good tag for them to make it easy for yourself. I choose this and then go to next and change it to plus. Note that the static, you don't really need the tag of static test because there are static and you can change them, and they are not useful. They are useful just for your UI. So I change it and go to other and change it to num2 and its tag to num2 and go to here and change it to equal operator and then go to here and change it to ans, which is answer, and change the tag to ans. So I need to write my code on push button backend. For accessing the backend code of your tools, you have to right click on them, go to callback and then callback. Here the program will ask me the direction which I want to save my GUI. So I choose one, I write my direction here and then choose name and save. Here is my callback. So I need here to access data in edit text 1. So for doing that I will define parameter which is x and then write this code. Which the first parameter of this is the tag name which you want to access the data on that tool, and this is the parameter which you want to get from that tool. And you can see here the parameter is a string, so for summation operator I need to change it to double. So I will do this by a string to double which parameter x. Note that you can't access the variable which you define in other callback. For accessing them, you have to define that variable, for example, this variable x as a global. So let's do this for the other data and other num2. So I will go to num2 callback, and here I get the data from that y equals to get handle dot num2 which parameter string parameter, and then I have to change this type to the double. So I will create another number and assign it to so it's done, and now I have to global this variable n2. So I will write n2 and then return to my first callback. For accessing that variable here, you have to define that variable n2 here again, and then you have to now write the equation which is nc equals to n2 plus n1, and now you have to assign the string parameter of ans tool to the n3. So I will do that by writing which tool ans tool which parameter string parameter to n3. It's finished now, I think. So I save it and then press run, and here is my GUI. I set this to 5 and set this to 3 and then push this. You can see here the sum of 5 plus 3 is 8. So the video is finished. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed and want me to create more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.